Okay, so yeah, I'm on Carl Johan, waiting for the lights to come on. Well, on blue hour, and I thought I would shoot the Freya sign over there. And we can talk once again a little bit about composition. If you can see on the back of the camera, got the grid activated, and I got Freya positioned. Oh, it's difficult to see there with the brightness of the screen, but on the upper left corner of thirds, there you can see it now. I'm in manual, so I'm gonna drop the ISO 80 ISO, f11 and 13th of a second. So we now have Freya sign, the light sign, nicely exposed, and we can do a bracketing and expose for the foreground. I can drop down 1 second, and I'm going to move the focusing point to the flower pot in front of me. Look good. You can see that. Oh, there comes the lights. Then now we have more light. Now we have to go back to the... Yeah, I could maybe blend those two images. I want to get the light in yellow. Blue is not bad. Oh, did I get it? There. Do like the yellow light because it gives nice warmth. Yeah, I think I'll do a HDR, a blend of those images. Okay, this is Carl Johan. Down there we have the palace, pretty dark at the moment. I think a more successful picture would be Parliament, as sun was setting over there, light is coming this way, and the Parliament is nicely lit. So I think as a quick shot we'll do Parliament first. Nice with in blue hour. Ambient lights have came on. Just have to get myself in a good position. They've taken the flags down. The Parliament is level. It's built on a hill. So we have I will be on an angle. Let's have a look through the camera. Yeah, I think somewhere here will also be nice to get some people crossing in front of me, create some motion. Motion blur from the peoples. Yeah, it's getting the tripod ready. Okay. So I have the center of Parliament in the middle of the line of thirds. I'm level. Okay, here they come on the little scooter again. I'm gonna go 1/8 of a second. 5.6 thousand ISO. I have another one coming. There's a scooter coming. Oh, and I have to go 1/8 of a second. He's got a bright light on. There's a bicycle. Yeah, that is the shot with the bicycle. Might have just worked. So yeah, that is my Parliament shots, blue hour. Go down to the palace, see that. Okay, if you want to see my video on blue hour photography of the Royal Palace in Oslo with my Fuji GFX100Sii, the before and after with a sky swap in On1 Photo RAW, click on the link in the description or the thumbnail in the end. So yeah, I'm just gonna call that the evening. Got taken quite a few shots today. I'm happy with that. Video quality is what the video quality is. Well, the entertainment is what the entertainment is. The quality is not bad. It's the Dji Pocket 3. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for giving the video a like. Thank you. Leave me a comment. Helps me, encourages me to get out and do more. Thanks. Cheers.